How to add collection to Shopify using Trendsi. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add collection to Shopify using Trendsi. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify and Trendsi, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that simplifies the process of setting up and managing online stores for businesses of all sizes, in which it operates a subscription-based model offering various pricing plans that cater to different needs from small startups to large enterprises. And Shopify also provides a comprehensive suite of tools, including customizable online store templates, payment processing, inventory management, and built-in marketing features, and all accessible through a user-friendly dashboard. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner in here. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating with your home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and many more. And now by checking on these products, from here it will show you all of the products in our online store. And by clicking these collections, it will show you all of your collections. But to start adding a collection in here, you can simply go to our Trendsi.com, in which it is a B2B fashion platform that specializes in dropshipping and e-commerce supply chain solutions, enabling businesses to source, list, and sell clothing without the need for inventory management. And from here, it will show you a variety of categories that you can choose from to dropship from here to your shop. And now to see our collections in here after signing in, you can simply click the heart icon on the top right corner to proceed. By clicking this one, it will show us in here all of our collection with your accessories for women, women's wear, and many more, in which each collection has its corresponding items. And by clicking this Create New Collection on the top right corner, we'll be able to start creating a new one by simply filling out or entering here the name of our collection. For example, I'm going to enter here Shopify collection. Then click the Create button to proceed. And from here, it will show you that we have now successfully added the collection. So just go back to this page right here and kindly proceed by searching or browsing for a specific product you want to add in our collection of Shopify and dropship directly or add it to our store on Shopify. And also, you need to remember that you also need to connect your Shopify account in here or your store before choosing some of the product in here that you want to add to your store. And from here to select or simply adding to your store, kindly click the heart icon and it will show you on this pop-up window this add collection, and you can choose the Shopify collection in here. So it is now currently added in our collection, so you could also do this one to be successfully added in our collection. So from here, you can simply select to add other collection or product in here, in which you can choose many products as possible if you want to. But as I said earlier, you also need to connect your Shopify account or Shopify store in here before adding our collection of Trendsi to our Shopify. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to simply click this profile icon on the top right corner, and below it will show us a variety of options, so kindly click Disconnected Stores, in which upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, I have now successfully connected my two online store of Shopify in here. But for you to add a new store, kindly click this Add New Store button on the top right corner. And from here, just choose the Shopify and click Connect a Shopify Store. And after that, you just need to enter here or connect the link of your online store of Shopify to connect your online store in here. And after that, we can proceed by going back on this collection of Trendsi, and to start adding it to our Shopify, kindly proceed by clicking this Add to Store button below our selected collection. And on the top panel, you could also choose a selected store that you want, and also the Shopify collections in here, and the status of it, tags, and many more. But as you can see under Shopify collections, we only have here the home collections that are available. So to add new one, just go to this Shopify collections section in here and click Create Collection on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, all we need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the title of this collection. For example, I'm going to enter here Trendsi collection. Then below, you can also enter the description of it. So basically, just filling out all of the required information in here. You could also upload here an images for this collection from your computer files, choose your theme template in here, and many more. So basically, after filling out all of the required information, including your title, description, your collection type, which is I choose manual, adding an images, you can now proceed by clicking the save button below to proceed. And after successfully adding here or creating a collection section on Shopify, we can now proceed or go back to this page of Trendsi, in which we're going to upload or going to add in our online store or collection from Trendsi to our Shopify. So from here, just do the same process by clicking this add to store and just choose the selected or store in here. Then choose the Shopify collections, and as you can see over here, this Trendsi collections. So after choosing this one, we could also add here a tags, which also indicates the product. For example, I'm going to enter here women's. And aside from that, below here, you could also change or customize the pricing in here if you want to increase your markup. And now to proceed, just click this add to store button below here. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully added to our store, in which it says here that this may take a few minutes, so you can just simply close this window and they will be notified you using your email when it's done. However, since we just add the 2 items in our store as a collection, this will just only takes a few minutes. And after it has now been done, we can now proceed by clicking this view on Shopify button to see what it looks like in your Shopify online store. And from here, it will show you all of the product with its different SKU and also sizes and different kind of variations in here of a specific product that we just add. You could also select all of this, and you could also import it directly or export it depending on your preferences. And from here, it will show us all of this info, including the title, the number of available items, and even the SKU of each individual variations. And let's say you want to edit a specific details or variations, kindly click on this product in here, then you will be able to be directed on this page where you can start customizing or adding some of the product detail, including to customize the title, the description, the media files, category, and many more. And from here, you could also start customizing the pricing to add the markups for your business, in which by changing the prices, it applies to all 4 variants. But going back on this page, if you don't want to customize anything, you could simply click this collections option on the left side panel, and it will show us under this Trendsi collection. Under this product, it will show us all of the product that we just add or the collection that we add from Trendsi to this Shopify account. And now to see what it looks like in our online store, kindly click this view your online store button right here. Then you will automatically be directed on this page, and below it will show you under these featured products, the products or collection that we just add from Trendsi with its corresponding details information. So going back on Trendsi, if you also want to add other kind of collection, you can do so by doing the same process of clicking this add to store button and choosing the Shopify collections, and proceed by clicking this add to store button in here. And you could also start customizing the price to change your markup or to make it more profitable. But overall, that is just basically how you can add collection to Shopify using Trendsi. Thank you.